What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the emergency SOS option on iPhone 12 or any iPhone using iOS 14. So let's get into it. So as many of you know, emergency SOS is a way to I would say contact the authorities if you cannot directly dial 911. So this is actually pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps now, and it's fairly easy. Anybody can do it. And yeah, let's get into it. So what you want to do is go ahead and press the button on the right hand side of your phone, and then you're going to simultaneously press one of the up or down volume buttons also. So you press it and hold it, then this is going to come up, and as you can see, it has the slide to power off at the top. And then you have the emergency SOS towards the middle. So I'm not going to swipe this because it will actually alert the authorities, and I'm not in a state of emergency. But yeah, guys, that's what you would do. You would just swipe right and it will alert the police, and then they would be on their way. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Listen.